Hi kids, are you ready to learn colors today? Watch closely and say the colors with me. Let's get started. This is color green. G is for green. Green like a green car. This is color pink. P is for pink. Pink like a pink cupcake. This is color purple. P is for purple. Purple like a purple grape. This is color orange. O is for orange. Orange like an orange fish. This is color brown. B is for brown. Brown like a brown bear. This is color black. B is for black. Black like a black cat. This is color white. W is for white. White like a white cloud. This is color gray. G is for gray. Gray like a gray elephant. This is color gold. G is for gold. Gold like a gold crown. This is color silver. S is for silver. Silver like a silver robot. This is rainbow. R is for rainbow. Rainbow like a rainbow arc in the sky.